So, Kuya A, we are now in the final quarter of our Game 1 of the Juniors Division Governors Cup Finals between Team Tagbilaran and Team Hagna. So, what do you think, Kuya A? Makapas ba kayo ng Team Hagna? Anin dua?
Kung maningkamot ang Team Hagna silang depensa and of course sa ilang offense mode, number 1, labi na ilang kanang ilang secret weapon nga 3-point, possible makapas sila. Pero kung dili nila ma-maintain, pareha na sa karon. One shot, sayang. Number 10, connect from number 10 from Hagna. Mr. Ranyeses.
Anybody's ball game, bagyan na siya.
Tinod.
Taas pa kayong oras.
Number 16, Mr. Pasagad. Dribbling. Pass to Mr. Makwa. Makwa, dribbling number 26 of Tagbilaran City. Makwa. Wow, nice side step. What? Oh, rebound from Mr. Makwa of Tagbilaran. Naku na Mr. number 14, loose ball. Nice defense from Hagna. Matong iingon si mga defensa.
Yes,
kung ilang ma-maintain.
Defensa yun, contain every chance na scoring opportunity ang Tagbilaran. Kay gaapas sila, gawakod.
Tinod, nice pass sa ilalim. May kasama pang foul. Mr. number 10 of
Big
Hagna.
man move, eh. Big man move.
79-70 in favor of Tagbilaran City. 9-point lead, Tagbilaran.
Na-erase na pod ang double-digit lead sa Tagbilaran. Yung lead sila sa third quarter at most of 14 points, siguro kay A. And now, we're down to 9 points lead.
Brother Moon.
So another thing to see here, no? Murata, murag wala pa sub-sub kung kita mo. Murag almost kadjut ra kaya ang sub niya. So, still, I think he has 38 points out of 79 points for Tagbilaran. So, he's giving it his all. Okay, game 1 of the finals and he needs, Tagbilaran needs every single point out of him.
Tinod. So, nakita na ito may gala. Taas-taas yun ang point si Mr. Murata, number 19 of Tagbilaran. Naningkamot yun, no? For this championship game. Naku ni Sir Murata. Murata drive! There you go! 2 points from Mr. Murata. Number 5, dribbling from Hagna. Jump shot from Hagna. Kunek. Mr. Estoque, number 9 of Hagna. 8 minutes and 45 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. 81-72, mga higala.
And a foul was called against Hagna. That would be the first team foul of Team Hagna.
Inbound of number 9, Bautista to number 16, Mr. Pasagad. Back to Mr. Bautista. Nice pass to Murata. Nice pick. Murata, what was that? Traveling violation committed by Mr. Murata, number 19.
So costly turnover there.
Sayang.
For Team Tagbilaran.
Eight minutes and 32 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. Who will be the winner of this game? Hamila, number 12. Jump shot from Hagna, not good. Rebound from Abing, number 3. To Mr. number 16. 16 dribbling the ball, Mr. Pasagad to Mr. Murata, number 19. Murata on the drive, easy basket.
What a drive!
Mr. Murata.
Another fast break basket from Hagna. So this is one of the key for them to a pass.
Nako na Mr. Luciliano. Luciliano to number 19. Murata, nice pick. Murata attempt, connect. Back-to-back points from Mr. Murata.
What a fake by Horace Murata.
Almost 44 points, Mr. Murata. Grabe mga igala. 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining.
Talk about being an ace player. There's no other living testament right now on that being an ace player. Who is Horace Murata.
2 points from number 5 of Hagna. 85-78 in favor of Tagbilaran. Number 16, Pasagad to Mr. Murata. Murata for 3. Not good. Abing at follow-up shot. Connect.
And we're back to the 9 points lead for Team Tagbilaran.
Not good. Ball position of Tagbilaran City. Substitution.
We have multiple substitution for Team Hagna. And lately, before gisaban si Amora, gakiyang-kiyang siya padung sa bench. Hopefully, okay ra si Amora of Team Hagna.
Muna lisod og ma-injury si Amora kay usa siya sa mga ace player sa Team Hagna.
Yes, and mostly silang offense dependent juga ayon ni Amora.
Oh. Another whistle from Hagna. 6 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. 87-78 in favor of Tagbilaran City. This is the fourth and final quarter of this game. Governor's Cup Finals, Junior Division.
So, naigamayng kasikas sa ilam between Ranjises and Loceliano. Medyo physical ang duwa, pero okay ra. Part of the game na, PA, part of the game.
Ana gina basta championship game na gani nagin ang pisikalan, no? Matod ba ni Commissioner Leonard Simbit. Abing inbound to number 16 Pasagad to Bautista, jump shot, not good. Agawan ng rebound. Nakuha sa Hagna. There's a foul from Mr. Bautista, number 9.
Duty foul for Bautista. Kay wato niya na foul. It will be another fast break for Team Hagna.
Usa sa akong na-obserbahan ni Brother Louie. Kasagara duwa sa Hagna 3-point o kaning pass break.
Yes.
Mo na ilang diskarte. 17. There's a whistle again from Tagbilaran. Foul number 16.
Pasagad. That's Pasagad.
Second personal foul, Pasagad.
And now we are 6 minutes and 19 seconds in our fourth and final quarter.
Wow. Number 1, libre, kunek. Mr. Salarda. Biglang pumutok, Brother Louie.
Open kay nga layup. Open pas 24 hours nga store.
Ayan, murag 7-11 di ay. Murata nakawala sa depensa. Murata
What a
again.
layup.
Grabe. 46 points from Mr. Murata of Tagbilaran City, number 19. 5 minutes and 47 seconds, 89-80. Mga igala, Murata jump shot again. Back-to-back points.
48 points from Horace Murata.
48 points from Mr. Murata. What a performance from Mr. Murata. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. 91-80.
This is history in the making, Kuya A. One of first finals sa ato ang Governor's Cup, and sa first game pa lang, explode na si Murata into 50 points.
Dili lang 48, 50 points, mga igala.
Yes, Kuya A. 50 points.
Sobras katungang score ni Mr. Murata sa Tagbilaran. 91.
Alsa kayo ang team Tagbilaran ni Murata.
Grabe.
Sakit kayong likod, hindi ko magduwa yun. Kaya gialsa ang tibok team.
Ala yun. 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. 91-80 in favor of Tagbilaran.
Shout out to all our viewers. Around 10,000 viewers sa atong live witnessing this first game of our finals in the Juniors Division of the Governor's Cup.
Substitution. Antopina for Loceliano.
Grabe ang challenge nga gibuhat ni Mr. Ranises versus Loceliano, no? Kay kung tanaw to mas dako si Loceliano, pero what a basket count yapon, no? Ang gihimo ni Mr. Ranises, number 10 of Hagna, Brother Louie.
Dili lang skills gyud to, kay guts good.
Yes.
Guts niya nga mo score good and mo perform para sa team Hagna.
Bonus free throw of Mr. number 10, Mr. Ranises. 5 minutes and 19 seconds remaining. 91-82 in favor of Tagbilaran. Yes, a total of 3 points. Mr. Ranises.
To stand for Pasagan.
After ano yung game mga higala, mag-end live ta sa atong Facebook Live, then magbalik na po live para by team ang atuang kwan live para mas nindot. Atangin na ninyo ang balik live mga higala after ang game. 5 minutes remaining. Wow! 2 points from number 17. 6-point lead, Tagbilaran, 91-85 mga higala.
And as you can see, Kuya A, si Murata is closely guarded by Bero of Hagna. Grabe.
10 seconds shot clock.
And double team. Murata is double team. Now, Abing.
5 seconds shot clock.
Turnover.
Step out of
Sayang.
bounds. Hagna's ball.
Turnover from Mr. Abing.
We're still 4 minutes and 37 seconds, Kuya A. 6 points lead na lang ang Tagbilaran. Anybody's ball game.
Danay upat ka foul ang Tagbilaran og duha sa Hagna. So, warning for penalty na ang Tagbilaran, Brother Louie. Number 17
15 seconds shot
to
clock.
number 1, Salarda. Number 20, pero not good. Rebound. No, kung Mr. Murata. Murata drive. Bang!
52 points for
52
Murata.
points from Mr. Murata of Tagbilaran. 93-85 mga higala. 4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining.
15 seconds shot
Number 20, Mr. Pero to number 17 for 3.
to shoot.
Wala. Ball position of Hagna. Grabe.
Substitution.
Makita na to. Almost lapas na 12,000 atong live viewers. Salamat mga higala. 12,000 live viewers. Salamat kayo sa inyong pagtanaw. Hindi na mo mausaw-usaw shoutout. Salamat na lang sa inyong suporta. And of course, sayang kaayo ang effort sa Hagna. Sige sila kitsag 3 pero wa pa inisod.
10
Yes,
seconds
Kuya A.
shot clock.
Game changer on the Ugayna sa Hagna. If ang mga 3 points nila nanood pa.
Double foul.
We have a double foul called on the court between Nunez of Hagna and Antopina of Tagbilaran, if I'm not mistaken.
9 of Hagna and jersey number 19 of Tagbilaran.
3 minutes and
Second
52
personal
seconds
foul
remaining.
for Murata of Tagbilaran.
So,
Third personal foul
dili dahil si
for
Antopina
Nunez.
ang naka-double foul,
Ball
si
position.
Murata of Tagbilaran.
Tagbilaran.
3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. 93-85 in favor of Tagbilaran. Tagbilaran is warning for penalty mga higala. And Murata is 52 points already in this game. Number 4, Kustan to Mr. Murata. Murata nakawala sa depensa. Murata again. Not good. Rebound from number 8. Nice pick. Nice block from number 19. Abing libre. Wala. Rebound from Mr. Nunez, number 39. Nakuha ni Mr. number 16. 16. Pinasa sa gilid. Nice teamwork from Hagna. 2 points. Mr.
4
Gallo.
on 1 fast break play by Hagna.
Timeout for Tagbilaran.
Napa-time out ang Tagbilaran, Kuya A.
First time out sa Tagbilaran.
Last 3
Yes.
minutes and 25 seconds for the fourth and final quarter.
3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining for the final quarter of this game mga higala. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. 93-87 ang atong talaan mga higala. And of course, ato ipahibalo sa atong mga live viewers nga almost 13,000 nga after ani nga duwa i-end live nato ni dahil mag-live na po tagbalik sa Senior Division Tagbilaran versus Talibon mga higala.
Back to the game.
So we're down to 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. So Hagna is need pa nga mo 6 points apas sa Tagbilaran.
Also an underrated aspect of Hagna's game, no? Wala ilang star center si Pacaldo according to the coach na injury daw pag tryout sa HNU. So grabe ang gi-challenge gid nila mayang Tagbilaran bisag wala ilang starting center, no?
Tinood kay di maginingon nga malubong ang Hagna. Number 9, Bautista to Mr. Abing. Libre sa 3. Bang!
James Abing for
Nothing but net, Mr. Abing of Tagbilaran. Number 17 dribbling the ball from Hagna to Mr. number 1, Salarda. Number 16 for 3, not good, short. Same ball position of Hagna. 2 minutes and 49 seconds remaining for the final quarter of this game. And this game is brought to you by the provincial government of Bohol. Inbound from Mr. Nunez. Foul was called.
Also, atong hayatagag pasalamat ang host city for tonight sa ato ang finals, ang Tagbilaran City, headed by Mayor Jane Sensoria Yap and Sir Chief Baba Yap and Vice Mayor Adam Hala. Asenso Bamor, Tagbilaran.
And of course, pasalamat po sa presensya sa atong pinalanggang Gobernador Governor Aris Umentado together with our First Lady, Congresswoman Van Van Umentado, Vice Governor Victor Balite, tanan nga mga board member, mga igala, no? And board member Benji Arcamo, nasa kilid. O atong mga commissioner, mga igala, nga mo naghatag kinabuhi ning atong duwa karon, Tagbilaran versus Hagna Junior Division. Og sa akong kilid si Commissioner Leonard Simbit. Tagbilaran by night, mga igala. Ayan. 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining for the final quarter. Not good. Rebound. Oh, sayang. Nakuha ng tato sa Hagna. Oy! Turnover sad, mga igala, sa Tagbilaran. Score 96-87. 2 minutes and 41 seconds remaining, Brother Louie.
And interesting ani Kuya A is penalty situation ng Tagbilaran. So pwede yun take advantage sa Hagna para makaapas sila.
Number 17 dribbling the ball, number 17. 17 nakawala sa depensa. Layup, connect. Number 17. Grabe. Ginamit yung bilis ni Mr. number 17. Number 16 dribbling Mr. Pasagad. Grabe, Mr. Murata was guarded by Mr. Pero. Murata, nakawala sa depensa. Nice pass to Luciliano. Not good. Luciliano pa rin. There you go. 2 points from Mr. Luciliano.
Another Murata, Luciliano connection, Kuya A.
Last 2 minutes. 2 minutes na lang, may igala. 98-89. Connect from Mr. number 39, Mr. Nunez.
And makita na itong Hagna, drive hard yun kay penalty situation ng Tagbilaran. Sakto kayo ilang gigamit nga strategy karon. Nga pugos yun og drive para matawag ang foul.
Wow, nice defense from Hagna. Nakuha na Mr. number 9 to Mr. Murata. Murata on the drive. Connect! Mr. Murata.
Dili na magdungog ang whistle. Ay.
Bisag kita, di ata magdungog. Ambot unsa na ito, ibang yaw-yaw, ane. Kamu na'y bahala, guys. So.
1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time.
1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Score 191.
100.
Brother Mon, unsa imo ang prediction, ane? 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. 191 in favor of Tagbilaran.
100 to 91 of Brother Adrian. So what Hagna needs to do here is to stick to their system, and their system is shooting threes. And unfortunately today, wala gid kaya ni Igo ang mga tres Hagna, which is their staple of their game. So if they want to come back in this game, they need to hit at least 2 to 3 threes in order to come back in this deficit.
Tinod. Sayang lang kayo kay daghan ang mga attempt sa Hagna nga tres. Why ni Sod bisag isa? Sayang kayo.
And Kuya A,
Back to the game.
to ang candidate for player of the game, 54 points. Horace
54
Murata.
points. Mr. Murata. Grabe.
We are witnessing greatness.
Pang MVP na kagayo nga iskoran.
Mga equivalent ni Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant.
Ala yun. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. 191 in favor of Tagbilaran. Mga igala. Nunez guarded by Luciliano. To number 17. To Mr.
5 seconds shot clock.
Oh, what was that? Foul.
Foul.
From number
Foul
4.
on jersey number 4 of Tagbilaran.
And this is a big problem for Tagbilaran, Kuya A. They are on the penalty situation.
Oy, oo, no?
First
So,
personal foul, Costa.
Pwede ni himuon nga chance sa Hagna para
Yes,
makaapas sila.
Number 26.
And ang makapait aning free throws, di magdagan ang time. So, they need that time to keep running para mudaog sila.
Tinod. 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining, mga higala. First row, Mr. Galolo, not good. Again, 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining. Score 191 in favor of Tagbilaran City. Second row, Mr. Galolo, number 26 of Hagna. Connect. 1 point from Mr. Galolo. Inbound from Mr. Luciliano. Luciliano to Mr. Abing, number 3. Abing is dribbling, guarded by Mr. Nunez. To Mr. Luciliano. What was that?
So, there's a backcourt violation.
Oh, backcourt violation.
Costly turnover for Tagbilaran.
Violation. Turnover. Hagnas ball.
1 minute and 15 seconds remaining.
14
This could
seconds.
lead to a chance for Hagna. Nga matrim pa yun ang lead to either 5 or 6.
Nakuha ni Mr. number 17.
10
17.
seconds to shoot.
Nakamala sa depensa. Not good. Rebound from Luciliano, number 10. High up rebound to number 4. 1 minute remaining, mga higala.
10 second shot clock.
Number 4, dribbling the ball, Mr. number 4 of Tagbilaran to Mr. Murata.
5 seconds to
5
shoot.
seconds shot clock. Murata nakamala sa depensa. Murata sidestep. Not good. Sayang. Nako na Mr. number 20. Easy basket. Connect from Hagna.
Pero.
We have
Remaining time, mga higala.
Tagbilaran.
39 seconds remaining.
Official score. Tagbilaran.
We have a timeout called for Tagbilaran. Medyo na-alarma sila. Nga nagsagunso ng basket sa
39 seconds remaining. 94-100 in favor of Tagbilaran City.
So, few days ago, na-witness na to sa Asian Games nga si Brownlee, naapas niya
Oh, grabe to, no?
ang pila
Almost
ka points
20.
labaw from China. Di ba? So, di ba nakasiguro yun aning atong duwa karon PA nga maapsan pa ang Tagbilaran if magkumpiyansa ra kay sila.
Tinod.
Foul. Foul on jersey number 39, Jake Nunez of
Foul, Mr. Nunez of Hagna. 36 seconds remaining.
warning for disqualification. Nunez, warning for penalty. Hagna.
Warning for penalty ng Hagna. 36 seconds remaining, mga higala. 194 in favor of Tagbilaran City.
Substitution. Victor Tan for Nunez. Jake Nunez.
So, Team Hagna is risking for a smaller lineup. Kinanglan sila paspas, kaya gaapas sila. So, let's see what happened.
36 seconds.
36 seconds remaining, 194. Daghan pag mahitabo ani. Unsa kay diskarte sa matag team. Nga dili maapsan ang Tagbilaran. Mula bawpod ang Hagna. Murata attempt. Bam! Grabe.
Well played, inbound play by Tagbilaran.
56 points from Mr. Murata.
40 seconds.
For 3, Hagna, not good. Rebound from Luciliano, 25 seconds remaining. 23 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining.
And the Tagbilaran crowd can already smell victory. PA.
Oh my God, murag ni surrender na ang Hagna.
9 seconds.
Wala. Nine seconds remaining. 102-94. Wapay surrender. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Winner, Tagbilaran.
So that's the end of our game 1.